10-4. I'm in contact with it. Looks like it's going to be a Ford. I guess he's going to be in the backseat of the white Lexus. It's going to be Colorado Charles William 976. What's going on?
Wow, calling class for me, just looking for my little brother, huh?
Absolutely.
Cool.
So,
yeah,
so
just
what's the
looking
deal?
for my little brother.
Okay, who's the little brother?
Eddie's, Chase Ward.
Okay. Forgot who the little brher was?
No,
all right.
No, I'm just messing with you. I'm just messing with you, man.
Okay.
Why are you touching my arm, bro? Like,
why are you acting like this?
I'm a little nervous because I don't like cops.
Why?
I have anxiety. They've done things to me.
What have they done to you?
I mean, stop resisting when you're not resisting.
Well, is that PD or us?
Who knows?
Because we're different, right? We're the SO.
I don't know. Usually that's all. I'm not just trying to distract you or nothing, but it's just like, I'm just a normal guy just trying to get my brother, you know?
You said we treat you? What?
I don't know.
I don't even know who you are.
Okay.
Okay?
Cool.
Right.
I'm just here to pick up my little brother, man. I'd like to just...
So...
who did I disrupt by trying to get my brother?
Well, they said that you were going around trying to mess with doors and open up cars.
No, dude, the fucking car looked... I thought... Oh my God.
So what'd you do? I just want to hear your side of the story, man.
Oh, you're talking... Dude, I straight up thought that was my freaking... My car. That's all it was.
You thought it was your car over here and you were looking for your brother, but...
I straight up thought that was my car.
Okay.
I see.
And what car was it?
I thought it was my mom. I was yelling at her. I thought because I knew she was in there. I don't even know that lady.
Yeah, I know. That's what she was freaking out about, right?
Hey, but she was like, but when she started driving, I was like, oh man, and I was like, lady, I'm sorry. I was like, I did not mean, you know. Yeah, that's what happened. So,
okay. Are you under the influence of anything?
No.
Okay. You have an ID with you?
Do
you have any weapons? Do you have any weapons?
I don't think so. I had a pocket.
You don't think so? Don't pull them out. What'd you just stick in your mouth?
Yo, what's a pill? Let me go! Get up. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back, bro. Stop resisting, bro. Stop. Stop firing. Hey, stop. Baby, stop. Raise your hand. All right. It's all right. It's okay. 39, we need it. Hey, stop. It's okay. Stop moving. Did you shoot him? Did you guys shoot him? He's my son, Sean! Did you shoot him with rubber bullets? He doesn't have a weapon! Did you shoot him, dude? Did you shoot him? No! You shot him?
Stay in the car.
Stop, man. Baby, stop. Sir, hey, I want you to live the best of man right now. Hey, I'm not doing nothing. Sir, can I talk to you, man? Hold on real quick. Just let us figure out what's going on. Stop!